We are going to take a look at a Black Brothers 60-inch top and bottom glue spreader. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a really clean, pre-owned top and bottom glue spreader. More importantly, everything you need is there. The grooved rolls are in excellent condition and still are soft and pliable with no scarring. The doctor rolls are in excellent plus condition. The side seals are present. Overall, the machine has very little glue remnants on it. Often they are covered and draped in glue. You will also find a pneumatic glue pump up top. It has a 62-inch width capacity and an 8-inch plus daylight opening. This machine is powered by a 208 230 460 volt 1.5 horsepower motor. It also features forward and reverse.